So with the hammer, but don't go all the way down, so just put like in the middle of the bolt, just go with the hammer and hit him, and you see it just came out. Now remove the nut, okay, so just put it back, and now it came out. Okay, now it's off, but just put it back so you don't lose the nut. Okay, alrighty, see, just leave it there and tight. Now you can always push this way, see? Okay, now you can do this way. Alright, so now we're gonna use this one here, alright, and we're gonna use this one. Okay, it's better to lose this nut before you lift the tire a little bit. You can lose a little bit so you don't have to do a lot of force when it's up. Okay, so we don't have the torque machines and everything. Alright, see, coming out. Remember to put it back. Before you remove this one, you can mark with the marker or something like that where exactly it was before, so you can just leave it the same way it was before, so you don't over tie or something. Alright. Okay. So this is coming out. Alright. Save this one here. Alright. Don't lose any nuts, any bolts. Okay. Let's see how everything goes here. Let's see if it comes out. Okay. The problem with this is because you see this. Let me show you here. That's the problem. It's making a lot of noise. So now we're going to remove this. Okay. Okay, I'm going to remove this one also, just to make it easy. Okay. Alright. See? It comes up quickly here. Okay. Save this thing here. Now if you want to lose something like that, what you can do is you can just put something on, like the more jack. I don't want to remove this one, but I'm going to put something on. Okay, okay, so this I'm going to put here. Alright, so just a little bit, so you can just okay, when this was happening, you can easily remove this one here. You see? Now you can just let this one go. Okay, let it go down again. Should be fine right there. So instead of removing here the ball joint, we're going to remove this one here. Okay, so we can have an access, because this is easier to remove than having a problem with the ball joint. So first we're going to have to lift it up. Okay. Here's the big, this one here. This is the masterpiece. Okay, this is very important to have See, it's very important to have this one here. Now we're going to use the masterpiece here. So it's okay. This one. There you go. Just put it inside. And what you're gonna do here, just very careful with the ABS cable, ABS wire. Okay. Just hit them a little bit. Okay. Careful with the wire. This is going to go down. You can force because this is like goes back and forth. This thing here, so you can push them until it comes out. Okay. Okay. See, it comes out. Now you're able to remove this thing. Okay. Careful with the ABS sensor. If you're not comfortable with this, what you can do is you can remove the ABS sensor. I think that's a number 10. I think that's a number 10. Sorry for the mess here. Okay. But I'm gonna see if I can try to remove without removing the sensor. It's less work, you know. So hope you can see the video. So now you see. I'm just going to remove this thing. Now we don't have we have nothing to do here in this area. Now is the time to work inside. Now I'm going to have to work with the bar here, and I'm going to have to put the camera underneath so you can see better how everything. Okay, so this is the Cv Axel. So we're trying to see you can follow the Cv Axel right here, and as you can see here, right here, close to the transmission, is the joint. So since everything is open to the other side, we just have to put a bar or something like that and push it to the outside. Okay. Hope I can show you right now. You just have to be ready for some transmission fluid, for some fluid that is going to be dropping here. So I have a bucket here, so if you have something better than me, you can put like a oil pan or something like that, but as long as you can put something underneath so you don't get ready with the floor and everything. So it's going to be a little mess in here. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to put the bar underneath. I don't know if you can see that, but I will try to show you here. You see here? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to put it right here. Okay, now just all we have to do is press. Okay, there you go, it's coming out. So remember, just put the bar in here and press. Okay, just popped off. Okay, okay, so now this thing is going to drop oil. See, it's starting to come. You see how everything is starting to come, and it's starting to drop the oil. Now put the bucket in here. Right, so when you have the oil in the bucket, just measure with the cord, so just to make sure how much oil you need to add again. So I'm going to have to keep pulling like this, okay? All right. You see? So get ready for. So that's what I was trying to let you know before, because you know, if you're not ready, you don't know what's going to be, then you'll be dropping transmission fluid here. So you have to have a transmission fluid with you before you start the job, so it doesn't so you don't have it, like, you know, because otherwise you can run with the car without transmission fluid. Okay, it keeps coming. Not a big deal, you see? Easy. Easy peasy. Okay, everything came out now. Alrighty. Okay. I'm going to take my time until everything drops off, so because I don't want to make a mess, so I'm just going to shut the camera now. So since I have everything dripping, I mean it's still dripping, so what I'm going to do now, I'm here from the side, and I'm just going to pull, you see, shake a little bit and just pull them out, okay? And it just came out, okay? Got it, see? So that's how this one is right now. We're going to put it here, right over here. This is actually, before I do anything, this is the new one I just opened here. I bought it at Advanced Auto Parts, and actually this is the one that I purchased. You gotta make sure that which one is the right and which one is the left, because they are different. And this is the code for this one. I'm not sure if there's a number missing. Let's see. Yeah, there's a number missing here. So the number that is missing here is so the left side is NCV428571. That's the left side, okay, the driver's side of the car, so you don't get confused. The other one is different. I'm gonna let you know. So, and this is shorter, actually. The left side is shorter, as you see. You can compare. I'm gonna remove I'm just about to remove the plastic. All right, so let's compare the difference with the, okay, and they're the same exact ones, okay?